Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, can't open this item, it might have been moved, renamed or deleted error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to simply restart your computer. Right click on the start button and select shutdown or sign out. Select restart. The next solution is a disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of the boxes here. Click on view files. Sorry. Click on OK and then on delete files. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.